Welcome to this BoldDesk tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to use the Reports and Dashboards module to gain valuable insights into your support operations. Whether you are a support agent, team lead, or admin, these tools will help you monitor performance, track trends, and make informed decisions. Begin by logging into your BoldDesk agent portal and navigating to the Reports module. This opens a list of dashboards and reports, each designed to give you a different perspective on your support data. Let me start with the dashboards. These are visual summaries of your key metrics. The first one here is the Support Monitoring Dashboard, which gives a real-time view of ticket statuses open, pending, resolved, and more, which is great for keeping tabs on your current workload. The Support Traffic Dashboard presents the volume of incoming tickets over time, highlighting key trends and peak periods. This helps you identify peak periods and plan resources accordingly. Then there's the SLA dashboard, which tracks how well your team is meeting service level agreements. You can quickly spot any breaches and take corrective action. The Agent or Group Performance Dashboard is another essential tool. It evaluates individual and team performance by reporting resolved tickets, average response times, and other vital support metrics. Similarly, the Contact Performance Dashboard highlights which customers submit the most tickets and tracks their satisfaction ratings. If you want to track internal activities like tasks and follow-ups, head over to the Activity Dashboard. And for managing a knowledge base, the Knowledge Base Dashboard shows how your articles are performing with views and ratings. With the AI Usage Dashboard, you can easily track and break down total AI requests, such as AI Agent, AI Copilot, and AI Assist, to identify usage patterns and optimize performance. AI Agent Performance Dashboard is used for tracking AI agent performance with key metrics like deflection, escalation, resolution, and support hours saved. Now for the reports. Reports are more detailed and data-rich than dashboards. The Customer Satisfaction Report analyzes customer feedback to identify strengths and opportunities for improvement. The Ticket Conversation Report is useful for reviewing all message updates within tickets, while the Worklog Report helps you track time spent on each ticket, both billable and non-billable. AI Conversation Report tracks conversations and questions handled by AI Agent and AI Copilot, including the number of answered and unanswered questions. Finally, the Ticket Metrics Report. It gives you a comprehensive view of your support system's performance using key performance indicators. Each report allows you to apply filters by date, agent, group, ticket type, and more. You can save these filters as views for quick access later. You can also export reports to Excel or CSV, or even schedule them to be emailed to stakeholders regularly. You now have a solid understanding of how to use BoldDesk's reports and dashboards to monitor, analyze, and improve your support performance. If you found this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more exciting features. Thanks for watching.